Well, we'll see if they think they can go up top.
Right. Kind of hoping they do. I don't feel like chasing a comet around in the river.
Nope, not at all.
I didn't check the weight on this gun. I wonder if it was lighter. I guess it would have to be because the other was 122 millimeter.
Right.
So. Had this super special IS-7 today because I had I don't remember who it was. Someone from Storm on the other team, so I 07'd right off the bat. And this IS-7 on my team instantly starts cussing at both of us for saying 07. And I was like, what are... I'm so confused. What are you talking... So I messaged him afterward, and I was like, what's the deal, dude? And he's like, it's so stupid to waste your time messaging stuff like that when you should be fighting, and we lost anyway. I'm like, oh, well, you do that before the battle starts.
Yeah.
So it has nothing to do with the battle. And you also spent the entire battle on the other side of the map away from the battle in an IS-7. I'm really confused what your issue is here. He didn't write back, of course.
Of course not.
That Panther's pushing around the other side.
I'll try to scare him back a little.
Oh yeah, I like this gun a lot better.
Bounce. Come on, TDs, get up here.
Ouch.
Come on, TDs, since our medium, that flank, got walloped.
Ooh, that was a big roll.
Yeah, mine ricocheted, hitting the same spot.
Oh, of course.
There we go. Ah, I hit the mantlet, so the side of his turret.
The tiniest mantlet ever.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, this gun is just enormously better.
And then it turfs in front of him.
That's alright, got the comment. Oh, he's shooting me in the butt.
Alright. Oh, now I got
The
me.
Panther's
Churchill's
the problem
over here, yep.
Yeah, I don't even care about that guy.
Ouch.
There we go. Alright, just us.
Yep, and they're full.
What's the third tank? I don't even know. Oh, the Churchill's shooting HE.
Okay.
So he's not a huge threat.
Alright, well, I'm going to try to get around on your side there, since I have no angle here.
Yeah, the only thing that Churchill's doing is hurting my crew. Oh, I dirted. That was gonna kill him.
And I hit the side.
2. Don't kill me. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, what was that? He got so lucky with... I only had 50 hit points left.
Hey, Snowy.
Oh, it's a derp. That's
Ayo.
why. I didn't realize it was the derp.
My gun can't hit.
He ain't looking right at me. Oh crap, maybe he is. Move it, move it, move it.
I'm betting he's AFK.
I'm betting the Camptown ladies sing this song. It's called Run Snowy Run. Faster, Locust, faster. Oh shoot, that's a cliff.
It's a tight choice because you just have time to get to cap. It's probably safer.
Go, Locust, go. Keep moving. I mean, you can be I bet the enemy's looking right at me because I look like a freaking titanium rubber shield.
Wow, you made it by a second.
Nice job, Lucas. Windows, would you stop restarting and restopping? Either stay on or don't. Just don't. Shit. And I got ditched. Got ding dong ditched. This isn't going to end well. Run for it, Lucas.
I mean, they're probably telling the truth, but it's just it's not worth it at this point.
So, how's y'all's tanking going?
Well, first game is closer than it should have been. Can't believe I got killed by a derping Churchy 7.
Churchy 7s were so cute. Oh, damn. Oh, there's artillery's about. I kind of forget. Ah! My tail. Oh, my butt. Oh, leave me alone. Have mercy. I'm pretty sure we are shooting spitballs. Anyways, despite that outburst, since my mom took away my iPad, I guess I'm kind of on the PS4. That's not a good thing. I think I rage more on the PS4 than I do on any other console. And I had a freaking Nintendo DS working with derps.
Yeah, except for the death. That gun is way better.
Way better?
Oh my gosh, yeah, it felt like a different tank.
Y'all aren't streaming, aren't you?
Yep.
Yep.
God damn it. Okay, I will act like a civilized human being now.
Well, I already got your whole rant earlier.
Well, you.
I even said everybody say hi to Snowy.
You. Oh, cool.
So that was the 100mm, right?
Russian map. Oh, cool.
Yes. Yep, the 100 D10T.
Malinovaka. This is going to be called Baka in a minute. How do I pronounce the stupid map?
Malinovka.
Yeah. The APCR is kind of expensive, but...
Is it?
Yeah, 4,400. It's a little pricey for a tier 7.
I don't recognize this map in the summertime. This is so weird.
Alright.
Oh, well.
Let's do another one.
Forward.
What do you want to do? Should we go
You're
back?
streaming, aren't you?
Yep.
So, which one of these have audio? Hopefully neither of the two. Congratulations, you killed yourself, you stupid idiot. Anyways.
Tog.
Tog where? Tog. It's a tog or melon.
Tog.
Tog. Toggy. I smell an enemy. Who shall die? I see him. I can't shoot worth a crap today. Okay, someone killed him. Forward. Maybe I'll go cap the base. Nope, can't do that. That rock is a nice hiding place.
Hey, we picked the same camo.
Oh, we did. I don't think I've ever. We almost always have had different camo universally, so that's fun.
Stop trying to twinsy and tank.
Someone on my stream, I was asking because someone on my stream was like, "Hey, tell X-Ray to get online too, so I could watch both of them."
Yep.
That would be so confusing.
It's tradition now.
I'm so glad. Holy shoot.
Dog.
Okay, artillery, I'm getting out of here. There's artillery. I forgot there's artillery in this game. Run for your lives.
Well, I have a feeling they're all out there, so.
Oh, they're all out there. Ah!
Alright.
Stop shooting me. I just.
If I
Turn
ever
the
make
ship.
it around this building, hang a right.
Yep.
Oh, look at the birds. These birds are pretty. Oh, shoot. I have someone on my tail.
Right rudder. Right rudder.
They should destroy the lives of our tanks. This is when I'm glad I don't have the same username as I do on Blitz, because I am being a disgrace right now. I've never ran away from combat in Blitz.
Why isn't the
And
VK?
here I am.
Is he just sitting up there on the rail?
I think so. Yeah.
Well, by
This
the
is
time we
pathetic.
get here,
I'm
there's a
never ready.
KV-1S to your left there.
Yep. I stopped to shoot him once. And, oh, I missed him though.
I don't know which way is our base.
Not intending to cap, but
No.
Whatever works.
Ah, stop shooting me. I just want to look at the water. Ow.
Oh, come on. I wanted a shot on the Hellcat.
Oh, no. No, I cannot drown in the river. I refuse to die a noob.
I have no shot on anyone right now.
No.
KB1S is a one-shot now. But man, this Hellcat's really hurt. Thank you. Whoever
Maybe
that
I
was.
can get high. There we go.
How pathetic. I drowned in the stupid river. Why does Nalanoga even have a river?
That Hellcat is obnoxious. But he's a good player. He's a TD.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm gonna die. I got stuck out here.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yep.
Well, that was depressing.
How did
Nope.
that miss?
You weren't even close.
Jaden just sits there with that face and mocks you. He mocks you like a little child. Well, I'm doing a very piss poor job at showing that I was a super tester, so this might. I think I'm going to take this to training round.
Man, he farmed some damage.
I should play Hunt the E100, but considering the fact that I am an M2 light, I'm not taking that risk. We shall take their cake by force.
Well, that didn't go well.
So Mustang, what are you supposed to be training me on again?
I don't recall that.
When you gonna let me actually do my job, by the way?
Alright.
XJS, can I fire Mustang? Because, I mean, he never lets me do my job.
You don't have to fire me, I quit.
You can't fire. You can't quit from being a boss.
I'm trying.
Just...
Nobody will let me either.
You're not allowed to quit either. Who the heck am I supposed to harass every day about the mission assignment?
Holy mediums on the other side. Part of me kind of wants to go up the hill.
Alright, let's do it.
Because they're all just going to be sitting flanking.
Yep, they probably will.
We didn't start the fire. Well, maybe I did. Sorry, tank. There's always enemies everywhere. Boom! A whole bunch of things didn't go through, man. Not really.
There's a few more up here than I was expecting.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm gonna let our team rush them here.
Reload. I'll freaking die by the time. Okay, little M2 light. Let's go. About time. You'll freaking get a drink. Renee. Oh. Oh. How did I tank? Oh, the stupid Japanese tank.
The base is fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you get that guy on the far side.
God damn.
Yeah, I just don't quite have a shot on him.
I'm gonna go
if I
pick on
take any
some
more hits,
Buccaneers
I'll
here
die
quick.
stupidly.
Get off me, tank.
He just wants a hug. Just because I'm not allowed to say the other one. I'm actually curious on what this T1 is success. Retreat. It's about to be an option.
Well, that strategy worked surprisingly well.
It did, especially considering how many of them were still up there. Good damage.
Ignore that.
What was the...
That was unexpected. Ignore that one.
Hey guys.
Hey, Massive. That's 70 grand worth of credits. You can't beat that.
Nice.
No, that's awesome. I don't know what. Didn't even check mine. Only 60 for me.
I had to
Yep, that was
pop
pathetic.
a couple of APCR to get the front of that T150 at the beginning. So that probably
do you not
ate a
run
little
rations? Because that's a lot.
Whoa, there's more than
No, I
one
don't on that one.
freaking training?
That
I'll
must be
train
the
to be an active
cost
scout.
difference.
Maybe this is why I'm a noob at this game. I didn't know there was more to basic training. I have to take all the tutorials. And first one is active scout. Maybe it's make me a better blitz player.
It's a lot of
That'll
TVs.
never happen.
Yep.
I'll never be a
Confused.
better blitz player. Oh, it's a cute little locust. It's so cute.
You guys XJ Mustang and Platoon up?
Yep.
Yeah, we are.
We're just here for
Snowy's running solo.
Snowy's commentary.
It's so cute. It's so sunny. And he even has a star on the side.
Where are you
Oh,
going,
there's
Forward,
another.
T29?
locust.
It seems like every time I have a T29 on this map right now, they go cap right up in between those rocks, or camp, and just sit there.
Well, since we're on the far side, we are not going to get up
I
to the
can't
hill
do
first.
fast scouting.
Let's hope that
It
all
just
of
depends
Hello,
on what's
little
going
Artie.
up there.
yeah, let's hope that all of their tanks, their mediums went to flank.
Yep.
Don't stop
Enemy
either,
spotted.
Priority
cool
is
is
that
it?
AT7. And the Sioux.
Absolutely.
What the hell am I even in?
It's Speak of the
I'm
devil.
freaking tackling a tier 7, a tier 9, and I'm in a locust. What the heck am I going to do? Shoot at it? Tickle it?
Alright, the 152. Oh, the M4 is.
Easy A. He
Easy
just
A
dove off the
bailed.
Snowy, you in
side.
game? Snowy?
Huh?
You in game?
Kind of.
You want a platoon?
Ah!
Hit his gun. That's good.
If you fancy jumping into PlayStation 4.
That I guess I can't. Okay.
Vroom,
Nice.
AG7's on the way up.
Hello, little AMX.
Ow.
Pretty sure I didn't penetrate a lot of things.
Can I get the bubble? No. Alright, I'm gonna switch sides of the house here.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
a cute little
I'll keep his
SU-18.
attention, but it's the best I
That's
can.
too
This
adorable.
Well, our KV3's
Comment's
finally
kind of
showing
annoying.
up.
Nice.
I'm sorry, little locust. I mean, little SU-18. You're so cute, but I had to kill you in this mission. I'm sorry.
What does Nimrod mean? But
That's more of a Green Day thing. Kind of just means
what?
idiot.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was just wondering where it came from.
Blame Green Day or something. I don't know.
I believe it's actually an older term than that.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Just thought I'd check in on you.
Who's that? I
Neither of
cannot
us have a
see.
kill, do we?
Oh, I lagged.
Ooh, it's
back
a
on.
Churchill 3. Hi, little Churchill 3. How you doing? I know your computer, so you can't really hear me, so don't judge me. That's the only order I give y'all.
Oh, don't turn at me.
Attack the base as a distraction. Okay, I can do that. Forward, Locust. A little bit forward, Locust. Little bit forward. You're only going 40 kilometers per hour. You're the sorriest Locust I've ever seen. Now we're cooking with gas.
Nice game. That was good and
Yeah.
balanced.
Considering we were low tier.
Oh, messages. I don't want to check that many right now. That seems like a
I'll
bad idea.
message
I
you.
got 6 messages in between those battles, which is probably not a good thing.